Back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a text in Jetpack Compose. So this is a very basic tutorial and I wanted to create some basic tutorials because not many of subscribers on my channel are native Android developers, so for them I am creating this. And during this even it would be good for me to revise all this concept because I am not using Jetpack Compose on day-to-day basis. So here first we will see how to display a text. So here you can see this is the output of this particular code. So all I have done is that I have created a Jetpack Compose project, that's it. And if you see over here, I have just this greeting composable is already present in your project, so I'm just referencing it and I have just modified it to display this text element. So this is how the output looks like. So first you will have to import this text element, and next if you want to reference a string resource, so typically you don't hard code a string inside the text. It's a good practice to write those inside strings.xml. so I have written something like this: string name hello, and the value is hello as well. And to reference it you will have to make use of string resource r.string.hello. so hello is the key. Now if you have some fonts, what you can do is you can create a font directory inside res and you can drag and drop your font. But the important thing to note is that all your font name everything should be in small. There should not be any dashes. You can make use of underscore. So that's one thing. So here you can see if you want to apply some fonts, you can use font family, font, r.font, whatever is your font name. Then you can also change the font size. So font size are typically in SP, so that's how it is in Android. So 20 just like you have pixels in web development, we have SP in native Android development. Then here I have defined some color. So the color is by default present inside UI theme color.kt, and here there are multiple colors. If you want you can define those colors over here. You can also define color in colors.xml file, but what I have noticed is that it's better to define in color.kt. if you are using Jetpack Compose project, it helps us to easily achieve dark mode and light mode. I could be wrong, but from what I have seen is that most of the colors are defined in color.kt file. So I have assigned the color over here. Next I have defined a modifier, and this is for occupying the entire width, so full width of my device. But if you want you can just use something like this as well, width, and give some width, up to you. If you want you can give height as well. Typically you won't give an height because in complex UIs, whatever the text is getting height, whatever is the default height, you let it be. But yeah, here I just to show you I have assigned some height as well. Now there are different ways to apply padding. You can directly apply it something like this if the padding is same for on all the direction, but if the padding is different you can use something like top, start, end and bottom. Then for background color again I am using the same thing, color from over here for background color. Then there is border as well. So border width I have set it as 2 dp, color is blue, and shape I have given is it as rounded corner shape. So if you see so if I go over here, so here you can see this is how the border looks like, and here I have applied some padding as well again. So yeah, that's how it is. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.